What is panpsychism? Etymologically speaking, panpsychism comes from the two Greek words pan, which means all, or everything, or whole, and psyche, which means soul, or mind, or spirit, or here. Therefore, panpsychism literally means all has souls, or all has minds. Broadly construed though, panpsychism is the theory according to which all objects in the universe, not only human beings and animals, but also plants and even objects we usually classify as inanimate, have an inner, or psychological being. In other words, panpsychism is the doctrine or belief that everything material, however small, has an element of individual consciousness. In the philosophy of mind, panpsychism is the view that the mind or a mind-like aspect is a fundamental and ubiquitous feature of reality. It is also described as a theory that the mind is a fundamental feature of the world which exists throughout the universe. In fact, the German philosopher and psychologist G.T. Fechner wrote, "I stood once on a hot summer's day beside a pool and contemplated a water lily which had spread its leaves evenly over the water, and with an open blossom was basking in the sunlight. How exceptionally fortunate, thought I, must this lily be which above basks in the sunlight and below is plunged in the water, if only it might be capable of feeling the sun and the bath. And why not? I asked myself. It seemed to me that nature surely would not have built a creature so beautiful, and so carefully designed for such conditions, merely to be an object of idle observation. I was inclined to think that nature had built it thus in order that all the pleasure, which can be derived from bathing at once in sunlight and in water might be enjoyed by one creature in the fullest measure." To many readers, this may seem to be merely charming poetry, but Fechner was writing in defense of a philosophical theory for which he argued with great passion and resourcefulness. "Where we see inorganic nature seemingly dead," wrote the American panpsychist Josiah Royce, "there is, in fact, conscious life, just as surely as there's any being present in nature at all." Also, in the words of Hermann Lotze, all motion of matter in space may be explained as a natural expression of the inner states of beings that seek or avoid one another with a feeling of their need. The whole of the world of sense is but the veil of an infinite realm of mental life.